la la la. Doo doo doo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This hair is back by popular demand, so spring has sprung, ladies and gentlemen. Last night was daylight savings and I didn't even know, nobody told me. So I went to bed, I woke up and it was dark. I was like, whoa, where am I? Also, last night 3CE just dropped their promo for their new spring collection, which I really want to buy, but your girl ain't got money right now, so but the look that I'm gonna do is inspired by that kind of spring vibe that they have going on. So I'm just gonna be using the stuff that I already got, which to be honest is already a lot of 3CE, so is there really any difference? Probably not. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna want a really fresh, kind of glowy base. We're gonna be using the VDL Primer. Y'all know I love this primer. It's this or the MAC Strobe Cream, but after my last video, I promised myself that I was gonna start using more Korean beauty products because they're actually so good. I know that that's like the basis of my whole channel is like reviewing Korean beauty products, but like half the time it's trash, so. Ever since that video, I've had a newfound love for Korean beauty products, so I'm gonna try and use as many as possible in this video today. My skin has been really dull lately because honestly, I have just been super lazy and I have not been taking care of it, so that's that. Now I'm going to put on my foundation. I'm going to use the NARS All Day Luminous Foundation. And I'm using my beauty blender and not a brush today. I love how watery this foundation is. I'm using my beauty blender and not a brush today because I really want to sheer out the foundation. My foundation is so freaking dark right now. Look how dark. Whoa! But it's fine because we're gonna lighten it up. Don't worry. If I started matching my foundation to my chest, my face would start looking so ashy. Like, I don't know how people do that. Like, my face right now be looking like a Oompa Loompa, but my chest be looking like uncooked chicken. Like, how? I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit with the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the color Maple. My spring aesthetic is all about being this cute, innocent flower. I think winter was a little bit sexy, and now that it's spring, we're gonna transition into being a virgin again, because that's how that works. I love being able to like straddle both looks. Wait, virgins don't straddle. Okay, so now we look a lot more balanced out. Don't look like such a Oompa Loompa anymore. I'm gonna put some powder on, but I'm trying to limit how much I put. I'm just putting it under like my eyes and any necessary places that I know are going to crease or get oily. Ay, la, 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 la. Ay. Now I'm going to take my Morphe spray and just start continuously misting my face. Oh, I finally tried the lip tints from the BT Cosmetics BTS collab. This color is my favorite. It comes in this shade and it also comes in this shade. And both of them are so freaking pretty and soft. The only thing is that they are lip tints, and with lip tints, something about the texture of them I just don't really like. They don't really like mesh with my lips usually. What I like to do is I like to mix lip tints and lipsticks. So I'm gonna be taking Mellow Flower from 3CE and I'm gonna use that as like my base lipstick. Look how much of this lipstick is left. That is how much I use this lipstick. I feel like this is a universally flattering lipstick, and that's why it's so popular. And then I'm going to add the lighter color lip tint. And in the last video, people were like, that is not your lip color. And I was like, bitch, where? This is totally my lip color. Y'all bitches is blind. Get some glasses. Check your prescription. I look like a cute little angel, how dare you. Keeping with the pink theme we have going here, I'm gonna take, oh wow, shocker, my multi-pot from 3CE. This is the color Holly Hock. It is a very soft, rosy pink. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna take my middle finger and use that to apply my blush. Blend away the haters, bitch. Okay, I saw other people doing this, so it's their fault if this goes wrong, okay? But I'm going to take a little bit of my VDL primer, okay? We're just gonna see if this works. I don't know. This could be a terrible disaster. But I'm gonna take a little bit of the primer, squirt it on my hand. A little bit. Just a little drip drop. Take my finger and apply it as highlighter. Oh my god, revolutionary. Wow. Bitch, oh my god, I think it's working. Oh my god. Never mind, that did not work. It did not work. Oopsies, looks like we have to use actual highlighter. So I'm gonna put the cream highlighter stick from the Face Shop / Trolls little collab thing. And I'm gonna go over that. Oh my god, it's making it worse. Oh god. Oh my god. And that is why I hate cream highlighters. Anyway, so I'm gonna use my Macao Darling. Oh my god, I look like such a virgin right now. I'm going to bronze up the face with my NYX contour palette, just using the darkest shade that I'm almost out of. Again, gotta hit that jawline, girl. Sweeping it up the cheekbone, under the lip, and down the nose bridge. Next is eyeballs. I'm going to take the Riviera palette and use this color Coastline. This is like a peachy pink color. I feel like on my skin tone it comes off as more pink. This is a really cute spring color. And I'm making sure to put it underneath as well just to even everything out. So now I'm going to use this Stila liquid eyeshadow in Golden Girl.
Thank you for being a friend.
I always apply it to my hand first and then to my eyelids. And I find that if I do that, it doesn't move my eyeshadow around. So I'm just putting it all over the lid. Now I'm going to take my palette again and go in with this color called Palm. And I'm going to take like a flat brush, just apply that to the outer corners. Then I'm going to pop on some mascara really quick. And lastly, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I think I'm the only person on earth that fills their eyebrows in last. So I'm going to use my Benefit Brow and this Anastasia brush. Finished. Okay. And one last spray from my Morphe spray.
Yeah, I gotta say something to you. I'm gonna roll out in that no. If you wanna do what I wanna do, well, I guess that it's just deja vu.
Wow, I totally look like I'm ready to meet someone's parents right now. Take me home, daddy. Okay, so this is my, why am I doing, put your hand down, Darcey. This is my everyday spring look, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing journey. If you guys want to see more videos, all you gotta do is click right there. Yeah, it's real easy. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love ya so much. Bye. Doom doom dee doo. Oh my god.